Hello friends. Sometimes we need a requirement like referring the clipboard page properties in the JavaScript functions. For example, we don't know we don't know what type of requirements we may come across in the real-time scenarios. That's why in this video, I am going to show you how to fetch the clipboard page property value in the JavaScript function so that you can use that value inside your JavaScript logic. Okay, so this is my just sample insurance claim section. When you run this case type, when you run this case type, um, this is my the case type output captured claim details, but in this section I have only configured one button. Let's open this section. Okay, let's open this section. So remember this is a non auto generated section. Remember this. Okay, not this one second. So let's open correct section. This is a non-auto generated section. Non-auto generated means automatically Pega will generate the HTML code usually, but here in this section I am not doing that. Go to the HTML. Okay, again this is a flow action. Okay, open the section. Okay, this is the section. Here basically auto generated HTML code. Because I unchecked this checkbox, then I am writing my own HTML code. So see this one, input type button value get paged ins key of the current case on click. Just this is a button label. This is a button label. Simple button label on click get paged ins key of the case. When I click on this button, I want to retrieve the paged ins key of the current case which is present in the clipboard. Okay, now what for this what I did here, I am implementing the script type JavaScript function name get paged ins key of the case. Now here I want to retrieve the clipboard page property. So for that I am using this Java API. I am using this scriptlet API or Java API tools dot get property of this is the tools dot get property, and this is the page py work page dot paged ins key dot toString. Finally that paged ins key value is saving into this javascript variable. Now if you want, just for alert paged key save and here actions, just refresh. I want to just refresh this one. Click on go, get paged ins key of the current case. See this one, SBI loan work I6005. This is the paged ins key of the current case. So in the javascript functions, in the javascript functions also you can fetch the or you can refer the clipboard page property values. Not only this one get property, not only from the py work page, you can refer other pages as well. Remember this point, the same code will not work out in the JS files. The same code will not work out in the JS files. The same code will work out only in the HTML fragment rules or in the HTML rules or in the non-auto generated sections. Because in the real time also sometimes we need to implement the JavaScript functions. Okay, even though if you are not an expert, some people will write the JavaScript function where if they want to refer these clipboard page property values or whether the page is exist or not, whether the property have a value or not. Based on that, if you want to implement the logic, these Java APIs also will be useful. These Java APIs also will be useful. For example, when they click on this button, if this pjs key, if pz key not equal to empty, not equal to empty, you can write a one logic, you can write a one logic, or else if you want to write another logic, if you want to write another logic like this. That's why I am just making this simple video how to refer this. Not only this get property, not only this get property, there are some other APIs also there, right? Some other Java APIs also there. If you want to check whether the pages exist or not, etc., all those things you can refer inside the JavaScript functions. Okay, thank you so much.